Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use combo boxes for a yes or no option if you turned it on or turned it off, if you want to go and do something else with them on or off. So what you want to do is you just want to type in if, then your your checkbox name dot checked. Then you want to go ahead and add whatever is inside of these two brackets right here. Now this will be your checked statement for that checkbox. So I'm going to add a quick message dot show, and I'm going to add something simple. So I'm going to add button not available. Button not here. Yeah, I'll just put that as that because I'm trying to speed this video up. Then I'm going to add a quick title. Title checked on. Now, there we go, we have that. Now let's go ahead and add something else for it to be off when the checkbox is no longer on. Let's go ahead and add the message.show part, then add in a different feature. So let me go ahead and put it as button on. Sorry, actually button off. And yeah, let me go ahead and do title. Oops. Checked off. And then if you want to add some buttons, I'm gonna add okay. Dot message icon. Let's do after risk. Why not? Let's close that off and let's run this code right here to go and speed this stuff up. I'm going to go ahead and no, never mind. It's right there. Wait for that to get out the way. As you can see, button not here, button off, button not here, button off. There we go. Pretty self-explanatory. I hope that helped out with anything. Pretty very simple code. So yeah, that's all about it for today. I just want to go and get something out for a quick video demonstration for something to upload. So yeah, that's about it. See ya. Peace.